Hi guys, welcome to my Field of Dreams vertical template. I want to give you a quick demo of how this works. There are a variety of different layers that are explained within the instant download in the tutorial. However, in order to insert your own subject, just simply shut off my subject, have an already extracted subject of your own, drag and drop them into the template, and position them where you think they go. I make them a little bit bigger using my transform tools. Something like that looks pretty good. Now, any of this text can be modified. So for example, we can change the colors of all this stuff or retype anything you'd want. Keep in mind that for you volume photographers, you don't have to use the name or this text on the side at all. You can just completely shut it off and just use the team name. Just a reminder that there's a full tutorial explaining all of this in detail. And for those of you wondering about size options and how big it can print, this can print up to 10-foot banners with this resolution. So you can modify it just like that pretty simply. You can also, if for some reason you don't like the corn in the background, I could shut off the corn and turn on a stadium layer. That looks pretty amazing also. Of course, all the other elements move and adjust to wherever you need them. I think you're going to love it.